we'll do a first impression and an unboxing haul. It's the same. Walang nagbago sa itsura. Try na natin yung video quality niya, sound quality, photo, and everything. Hi guys, so it's September 25 today and it's 8 PM already. And halos kakauwi lang namin galing SM Kawayan. So, this portion is not sponsored. Wow, pero sana naman. Pero GoPro, if you're watching, baka naman. Charot. Pero ayun guys, so I mentioned it already. So ayun guys, we'll do a first impression and an unboxing haul of this GoPro Hero 11. So kakabili lang namin ito kanina and hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. I mean, nabuksan namin siya kanina to test if okay siya and everything. Pero ngayon ako mag as in reaction and then yung mga talaga as in haul, ganun. Okay guys, so first up, meron tayong 4 items here. So, ito yung freebie ng Hero 11. Meron tayong dalawang SD card.
Kaya pong maging tahimik for this vlog.
Then, ito yung mismong Hero 11. So, unahin natin tong SD card, guys. So, freebie din yung isa. So, meron tayong SanDisk Extreme na 32GB. Ayan. So, free na to. Kasama siya dun sa unit mismo. And, pinalagay ko na rin siya. Then, ito, bumili lang ako ng SanDisk Ultra na 128GB kasi for sure, mamamax out ko yung 32 and hindi talaga to enough. For sure yan sa mga vlogs. And especially na meron kaming upcoming trip. So, sigurado yon kukulangin. So, bumili na ako ng isa pang SD card. Now, for the freebie, ayan, merong 2 options to kanina. Actually, hindi siya option pala. May isa pang freebie na for Hero 10. Mas gusto ko nga sana yun. Pero kasi ito yung for Hero 11. So, ito ay 20 liters roll top all-weather backpack or in short, water-resistant backpack na 20 liters. So, magagamit ko rin naman din to. And talagang meron siya ng GoPro na brand, kaya maganda. Ganda, di ba? Yun, kung makita niyo yung mukha ni Papa, shoot it.
Wow!
So, ayan siya guys. Malaki siya. And this is water-resistant. So, pwede siyang gamitin sa beach. And pag may mga other water activities or kapag nag-hike siguro, ganyan. Now, let's move on to the GoPro since yun naman talaga yung pinunta nyo dito. Yan. So, ito siya guys. And ganito lang yung packaging niya. It's very sleek lang, parang Manila paper. Pero ang cute ng tape kasi talagang may GoPro, something MS yun lang. So, let's open na. By the way guys, itong unit na to is yung latest version ng GoPro Hero. So, yan. So, ito siya guys, right off the box. Nakalagay lang dito na Hero Block 11 GoPro. And it says here na it has 27 MP, 5.3 mm. So, hindi ako masyadong technical when it comes to this guys. So, hindi ko masyadong alam. Yan, say hi. So, ito pala yung pusa namin, si Charlie. Then, it also says here na waterproof siya until 33 feet or 10 meters. It has voice control. So, like, pwede mong iset up yung GoPro, take a picture. Next is, meron siyang 8 times slow-mo, time warp, 1080p live streaming, super photo, GP2, processor, webcam mode, and MOD ready. Ayan. And then, yung isa pa na oo talaga sa akin dito sa Hero 11 is the Hyper Smooth Stabilization 5.0. So, ibig sabihin guys, mas stable siya compared to the Hero 10. Si Hero 10 kasi is 4.0 lang yung stabilization niya. So, ibig sabihin mas stable to like kapag tatakbo ka or pag nasa sasakyan ka or pag nasa roller coaster ka, ganyan. So, mas stable siya. Okay, so anong kasama dito sa Hero 11? So, we have yung unit itself, the new Enduro battery. So, anong difference niya to the standard battery? Itong Enduro battery, it can last longer than the standard battery, especially in places na mas malamig. Then, we also have the long screw and then yung mga other attachments. So, hindi ko rin actually kabisado pa, pero, ayan. So, ito na guys. Let's remove. So, ayan. Meron na siyang sariling case talaga, which I super appreciate. And meron din siya ng logo here na GoPro. Maliit lang yung unit, pero I appreciate na ganito kalaki siya kasi at least mas safe. And then later on, kapag nakabili na ako ng accessories, ayan, meron na rin siyang lagayan. Open na natin.
Wow! What unboxing seconds later?
Okay, so what's inside is we have the unit. Ito yung charger niya. Ito yung battery na Enduro. Ito yung connector sa tripod, I guess, or sa hand grip na wala pa tayo sa ngayon. Ito is another connector for helmets daw. And then, this is the long screw. And then, ito yung pinaka-unit. So, open natin. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-unit, guys. It's the same. Walang nagbago sa itsura versus Hero 9 and Hero 10. Ang nagbago lang is...
11 yan?
Meron siyang 11 here. So, yun lang talagang naiba, guys, physically.
Totoo?
Oo. Na-research ko yan. So, yun lang yung naiba. It's the same. So, ayun guys. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa siya mapakita sa inyo. Hindi ko pa ma-open. I'll shoot another clip na lang after ko i-charge kasi nalobat siya kanina nung after namin i-set up sa Quick App. So, if you're a newbie in the GoPro ecosystem, ganyan, to access this sa phones nyo, kailangan nyong i-download yung Quick na app, QUIK. I'll put a link down below na din if i-download nyo siya. So, ayun nga guys, nung binili ko to, wala kasing available na accessories sa SM Department Store. So, bibili na lang ako siguro pagluwas na namin sa Manila. As you can see, sobrang spacious tong bag.
Yung na-strap sa katawan.
I know. So, ayan, mga kasama. Instructions, stickers, and then, of course, the manual. Yan. So, the Hero 11, guys, is 30,800. So, why I decided na ito na yung bilhin instead of the Hero 10? Kasi 800 pesos na lang yung difference nila. Tapos, yung Hero 10 is actually pa-face out na daw. So, kaya nag-decide ako na ito na. And another fact na nabasa ko online is, with the Hero 11, kaya mo siyang i-reshape. Like, for example, yung frame niya, I don't know the technical terms. Like, if gusto kong i-crop yung video to fit Instagram na 19:6 or 1:1 or TikTok na ibang dimension din ulit,
For the
it can be done. Tapos, same pa rin yung quality ng video. Hindi siya masisira, maganda pa rin. So, yun yung isa din na nagpa-yes sa akin. And the pixels. So, yun. Hindi ko na masyadong alam yung detalye, guys. But I'll put a link na lang din of the comparison if you're also trying to decide kung anong bibili niyo, Hero 10 or Hero 11. So, for this portion naman, since napakagulo ng pamilya ko, isama natin sila. Ano naman pong masasabi niyo sa ating Hero 11?
Hi guys. Yun ang sabi ko.
A few minutes later.
By the way, guys, naka 50% off lahat ng luggages ngayon sa SM Department Store. Again, not sponsored, pero SM, pwede naman po tayo. Charot! Pero anyway, yun, naka 50% off lahat ng luggages ngayon. And also, on September 30, if hindi ako nagkakamali, magkakaroon ng 3-day sale si SM. So, that's additional 10% off on all items daw. So, ayun. I-confirm nyo na lang mga sis. Good morning, guys. So, today is September 26, 25. I'm not sure. But, ayun, finally, na-charge na natin yung GoPro and itatry na natin yung video quality niya, sound quality, photo, and everything. So, right now, ay naka-super wide ako, kaya ganyan. And, kita yung kamay ko. Wala pa akong accessories, guys. Hindi pa ako nakakabili. But, yeah, so this is the quality of the video. Sorry for my bare face. Yan, guys. Now is naka-linear, I think, yung view tayo. So, linear is kapag yung malapitan lang, ganyan, if ayaw nating magmukhang masyadong fish-eyed, kasi naka-wide, ganun. Can you see?
What?
Yourself?
Yeah.
So, dual monitor siya. Nakikita ko siya from here, then nakikita ni Papa from here. Guys, so tinatry namin yung super view. Ayan, so ganito siya ka-view. Ganito siya ka-wide, and medyo warp lang yung itsura, pero at least hindi siya ganun kalapit, even though arm's length lang yung GoPro. Try natin yung hyper view. Now guys, this is the hyper view. Sobrang lawak na niya, as in kitang-kita nyo na yung buong bahay namin actually. Pero medyo weird kasi as in, ayan, pangit tignan and everything, or baka mali lang ako ng pag-shoot. I don't know, pero ito siya, ito si hyper view. Ayan guys, this is the wide view naman. So, good morning from our BB. So, yung puti, si Luna, si Max, and si Charlie. Ayan, so guys, nakabalik na tayo sa super view and gusto kong itry yung stabilization niya na 5.0 something. So, tatry ko mag-jog. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-gulo or gaano ka-stable. I don't know. Let's see. So, tas bigla kang lalakad. Ayan. So, tignan natin. Let's judge the footage after this one. So, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if ano sa tingin nyo yung bibili nyo. Hero 10, Hero 11, or kung dapat ba ibang action camera yung binili ko. Pero, huwag nyo na akong badulin, guys, kasi nabili ko na siya. Oh my God. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe in this channel. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.